And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the anchor tag. I haven't yet talked about it. The anchor tag is what you need if you want to place links on your website. It's the symbol A, and you need to close it. In between there's usually text, and this is called the anchor text. So this is stuff that you see on a website, and this is used to place the link. To make it active, we need to give it an href, which is the destination. So you click on this and whatever you've pasted here as a value will open up. So let me just add my YouTube channel. Usually you want to make your anchor text descriptive. So just writing link 1 or something is not the best idea, especially for search engines, but also for your users. In my case, visit my YouTube channel would be a good anchor text. If I want to have it open up in a new tab, I'll have to add the target attribute _blank as a value. And now if I click on this, a new tab will open up. And my example web page is on the first tab. You don't necessarily have to use an anchor text. You can also use an image as an anchor. To be able to do that, just replace this text with an img tag. These are self-closing, just as a reminder. You can't see it for now, but here in our website folder, we've got our img. So let me add that. src, our source, uses this img folder, and inside I've got our example images. Let me directly use example. It's a JPEG. I refresh it. It's a little bit big, but you can already see how the cursor changes when I hover over the image. Let me go down. Maybe I'll make it like 50% for width. And now this is the link, so I hover over it, the cursor changes, I left click, and target _blank is still active, therefore it's opened in a new tab. These hrefs for your anchor text, they don't necessarily have to be websites. So it can also be, for example, an email address or a telephone number. Let me show you just as an example how the formatting should work. So for mail, we need mail to and then add someone@gmail.com. And now we wouldn't link to a website, we would link to an email address instead. Same way works with telephone numbers. You just need to add tel and then plus and start with your country code and then add the telephone number and you're good. There's also the possibility to use internal linking. So if you have a bigger website, in my case I only have a small main, but let's just assume we had a section below it. I give it an ID, let me call that example section. And I want to have internal linking. So right here I would change the href to hashtag and then example section, so the value in our ID. And now our image here, which is our anchor, it would link to our example section. And these are the basics of using the anchor tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.